Who was the first Indian President of the International Court of Justice? Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who was the first Indian Naval Chief? Vice Admiral Ram Das Katari. Who was the first Air Chief Marshal of India? Subrato Mukherjee. Who was the first Education Minister of India? Abul Kalam Azad. Who was the first Vice President of India? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who was the first to receive the Param CHAKRA? Major Somnath Sharma. Who was the first Indian who received Nobel Prize in Medicine? Har Govind Khurana. Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Justice Hira Lal J. Kania. Who was the first person to resign from the Central Cabinet? Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Who was the first Finance Minister of India? Sanmukham Chetty. Who was the first Defence Minister of India? Baldev Singh. Who was the first Law Minister of India? Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Who was the first Indian to cross the English Channel? Mihir Sen.